What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new gold color 2018 9.7 inch 6th generation iPad. So without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing that I want to get into talking about is the pricing of the new iPad. Now if you are here in the United Kingdom, then the new iPad will set you back around £319 for the 32GB model and goes all the way up to £409 for the 128GB model. And if you are over in the United States, then the 32GB model will set you back around $329, whereas the 128GB model will set you back around $429. The new 2018 iPad comes in a range of 3 different colours, starting from space grey, silver and the new gold colour, which is a bit of a mix between the old rose gold and gold. And of course, as with all iPads prior to this new iPad also comes available in both a Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi and cellular model. But enough of that, let's crack open the box to see what actually comes included with the new iPad. And just like unboxing every other iPad, the new iPad is of course the first thing that you see sat directly on top of the packaging. And placing the iPad off to a side, we can get a closer look at the included accessories. And the first of these is of course your lightning data and charge cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of around 1 meter. And in typical fashion, the next item to be included is of course the documentation. Now the first of these is of course your quick start guide and user manual, which gives you a general overview on how to get the device set up along with how to use it. The next piece of documentation gives you your health and safety information along with details with regards to your Apple 1-year limited warranty. And as always, the last items to be included in the documentation envelope is of course your 2 white Apple stickers. Now the last items to be included in the box are of course your USB wall plug and wall plug adapter. Now the one which comes included with the new iPad can output up to a maximum of 10 watts of power. Now personally, I would like to see Apple include a power adapter which will actually fast charge the iPad, as it still takes on average around 4 hours to fully charge. But if there is one thing about Apple's chargers which I thoroughly enjoy, is the fact that the actual plugs can actually be changed out depending on where you're traveling to. This of course means that if you are traveling to new countries, all you have to do is get the adapter and plug it into the actual wall plug and you're good to go. So then guys, that has been it for today's video. I do hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to hit that like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe? If you have got any questions as to what you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.